everyone, welcome to Virtuous Eunice's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to clean my pots. Guess what? I like cooking on a high heat. I don't know why. Maybe because I came from Africa and we normally use wood. You know, when the wood is catching fire, it's blazing, so I'm used to it. So I'm in a place where I have to guide myself, but sometimes I can't. So see what happened with my pots. But guys, I'm going to show you whenever it happens like this, please don't use the iron sponge. Don't scrape it, or else you're going to spoil your expensive and cute pots. Okay? So in this case, I'm going to wet the pots. Okay? Make sure you wet the pots well. Okay? Then baking soda. Want to make it like paste, okay? I'm going to leave it for like 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Guys, I'm going to put some vinegar. Okay. It's been like 5 minutes that I put the baking soda, so I'm going to put some vinegar. Okay. Guys, are you seeing? Can you say something to me? Say, well done, virtuous woman. Bravo. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. May God bless you. May God continue to protect and keep you from me, so that you will be watching more of my videos. You will not die, you will live till good old age. Amen. See you next time. Bye.